Guys, they came. Puppet rods. They finally came. This one, I have no idea what happened to it, but I got Jeffy and the evil Jeffy from my Jeffy's VHS tape series. You should totally go check it out. I personally love that series. So, yeah. But let's try them out. So, I'll put this one on my old Jeffy. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna fall off easily. My old Jeffy's hand is like so small. Let's try it. Wow. Okay. Let's try on my new Jeffy now. Come on. Alright. Hey guys, what doing? I stole a toy with a credit card, guy. Oh, babble, babble. Honestly, I love it. Okay, ba. Alright, I also have 2 more things to show off. So, you guys know how I got this, Mario Kart toy. You may not have seen it because that video may have been private and I may not have made it public yet. But the other ones that I got, I don't have the full collection yet, but the second one I got is the Toad. The Toad is really cool. Really like him. I'll put him in the car for you guys. Alright guys, I got him in the car. So yeah. Guys, I know I haven't uploaded on this channel in a really long time. I took like a 2-year break. If you don't know, Phoenix and Anakin, they moved about a year ago. I'm really sad about that. They were 2 of my best friends. Don't tell them this on Rexy Duck is Cool because Anakin's on that channel, but Phoenix was kind of annoying sometimes here and then. But let's try him. Oh, but the other one I got is the Princess Peach one. So I'll put her on her motorcycle for you guys, and yeah. Alright guys, I got her on the motorcycle. She's really cool. So let's try it out. Wow. She's fast. That's what she said. Or whatever. The girl is Lightning McQueen. Vrum. A vrummy vrum. I also got 6 more things to show off. So I'll get them and yeah. Alright, so I got the whole collection of these. You punch them and then like little enemies from Mario pop out. Or it could be a good block where you get Tanuki Mario or Cat Mario inside. So, let's try it. Ooh! I got Cat Mario. Cat Mario came out. Let's put him to the side. Let me get the other one. Alright guys, I got the other one, so let's see what's in here. Oh! First 2 good blocks, first try. Ooh. Mario. And when we get back, I'll show you all the backgrounds of each character. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Ooh, a Shy Guy came out. Alright. Ooh, a Troopa came out. Nice little Troopa. So that's 4 of them. 2 more. Alright, last 2. Drybone, little Drybone. Alright, last one. Ooh, Goomba. These are my favorite enemies. I call them Poops. I'll show you all of them backgrounds. Just let me set them up. Alright guys, here they are. All in their background. So here's Cat Mario and the little stadium. Shy Guy, Drybone, Goomba, Troopa, and Tanuki Mario in the Mushroom Land. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!